Absolutely. You'll actually feel much stronger because what seemed to be very hard in the beginning will actually appear to be quite easy. And what you thought was fear or something you couldn't overcome, you actually did overcome it, and much more easily than you thought in the beginning. I feel you will have increased your self-confidence a lot, and you will be doubting far less about your capabilities of achieving your goals. So I think it is something extremely important as individuals to trust more in yourself. And because all activities are made as a team, you will also get to trust more people and your team. And that's also a wonderful strength to have in life, but as well in the office, to trust yourself more and trust others more as well, and be able to interact in a group as a leader, but also as a follower when the time is to have it. So wonderful experience and great growth in a very limited time actually.